Hello viewers, this is Johnny. I'm a life and health coach. Today I want to share with you some of the tips how you can lose weight, how you can burn more fats within the belly. These are the simple workouts you can do at home. This is my home, and I thank you for watching this video. These are the steps I'm going to show you how you can burn more fats just doing simple workouts. Today we are going to use they call it a kettle dumbbell. These are the steps we are going to follow. Are we together? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you count 20 reps, 20 times. 20 times. Then after that, you do this. You see? You do that for about 10 times. Then after that, there is simple workouts. You just hold like this. You do that for 10 times, then you rest. At least whenever you work for about 5 minutes, make sure you rest more. The more you rest, the more you'll be able to burn more fats. Now this is the last workout which I'm going to show you, just using the simple tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are some of the workouts which I've shown you. After doing that, then there is what we call mountain bike. This helps to burn more fats within the belly. Let me show you. Okay, as if you're riding a bicycle. Today, those are the simple workouts, how you can burn more fats within the belly. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Then I'll keep on sharing more video to you. Thank you.